Franklin Templeton files for a spot Bitcoin ETF. So we have a whole bunch of more institutions that are continuing to apply for the Bitcoin spot ETF, which, if this is to actually happen, and there is a very, very high chance that these applications will get approved at some point. I don't know if it's going to be this month. Some are expecting October, some are expecting next year. But the experts, the people that know all about this political, legal stuff regarding these ETFs, are expecting a 95% chance of these applications getting approved. So this is very, very bullish. More companies that are continuing to apply shows that the people that know about all this type of filings and the ETFs and these approvals and that work with the SEC to get these things done, these types of people are very confident because it costs money. It's a lot to get these things set up. These people have to basically get these things set up before they apply. And this is very bullish. When these ETFs get approved, I believe it's going to have a profound effect on the price of Bitcoin. I think that Bitcoin could potentially, let me show you my thoughts, that if Bitcoin actually gets approved, this Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved, I think Bitcoin could shoot up massively to like $30,000 and then continue trending up for days after to maybe 32,000 or even 35,000, much higher levels. I'm personally expecting that, and I think that that would happen, especially with so many people shorting right now. So many people are bearish in Bitcoin right now, and I'm short-term bearish in Bitcoin, but all of these over-leveraged people, all these people that are shorting Bitcoin right now, they will get liquidated. There will be a massive short squeeze because people are not expecting the spot ETF. A lot of people are thinking that the spot ETF is going to get denied. Some are thinking that even if it gets approved, it's not going to have an effect on the price, not much. So when this actually happens, even outside of all the people getting liquidated and the short squeeze, we would probably pump to 30,000. Now, adding all of these over leveraged players into the market with all of this spot demand, we could easily see 35,000, maybe even 40,000 within the same week of the spot ETF approval. And we were expecting something very similar with XRP when the court case got approved, about $1, and it hit just about $1. So that's personally what I am expecting for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now, if this happens, this means all of the altcoins are going to be rallying probably a lot more than Bitcoin. So you better get ready. This is when I think there will be a massive pump before the halving. So if this takes place before the halving, this could actually be the start of the bull run. And I think there will be a very big pump at first, a very big move, and then it's going to correct, and then the bull run is going to start. That's personally when I think. So you want to be positioned and prepared for this move to happen. And it can take place, honestly, at any day, but I'm expecting maybe in October or in the next coming months afterwards. Now, make sure you guys are on my Patreon, where I'm posting profitable trade signals every single week, guaranteed. If we go to my Twitter, these are some of the trades that I took yesterday. Shorted Bitcoin. People had access to my alerts, 35%, 23% ended up being over 30%. This ended up being over 30%. You guys can have access to my alerts where I'm posting profitable signals every single week, guaranteed to get your money back in the Patreon. So join the Patreon. I have a free Telegram community below. You can join that, ask the people that are using my signals and my indicator about it to see if what I'm saying is true. But most importantly, what's really, really cool that I developed is this ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing works for every single cryptocurrency on every single time frame. And this thing calls the very tops and bottoms of markets. I mean, if we take a look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin printed a sell signal right at the very top around 32,000. So you could have rode that thing all the way down to $24,000 and made a fortune. And it works with this. Look, this morning we got a buy alert for Bitcoin, or actually last night. And I took the alert myself. That's why I made those huge profits. And look, we get a buy alert yesterday. And if you would have wrote it up and understand how to trade a little bit, you would have made a lot of money by just buying the dip and longing the dip by using my indicator. That's going to outperform every trader out there. And you can use it today at 30 days risk-free on my website, ALGOSNIPER.com. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.